Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an amazing topic that will definitely add a lot of value for you. So, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join me on this journey. Let's go. Want to lose weight without giving up flavor? Today, I'm going to teach you 3 easy, quick, and delicious low-carb recipes, perfect for anyone looking to lose weight in a healthy and enjoyable way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more tips on healthy eating. So, want to lose weight without sacrificing taste? In this video, I'll show you 3 easy and quick low-carb recipes to include in your diet and lose weight in a healthy way. Alright, let's move on to the first recipe, which is the protein-packed low-carb omelet. Here are the ingredients we'll use for this recipe. 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 2 slices of cheese, 50 g of shredded chicken breast, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for greasing. Now, for the preparation. Beat the eggs with the sour cream, salt, and pepper. Heat a skillet with olive oil and pour in the mixture. Add the chicken and cheese, fold it in half, and let it cook for 2 minutes. This protein-packed low-carb omelet is an excellent option for breakfast or a quick and tasty dinner. Now, let's move on to the second recipe, which is low-carb skillet pizza. Here are the ingredients we'll use to make the low-carb skillet pizza. 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, a pinch of baking powder, natural tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, oregano, toppings of your choice. Now, just mix the egg, almond flour, Parmesan cheese, and baking powder. Pour the mixture into a greased skillet and cook until it sets. Flip the crust, spread the tomato sauce, cheese, and your favorite toppings. Cover and cook until the cheese melts. This low-carb skillet pizza is perfect for a delicious snack without breaking your diet. Now, let's move on to the third recipe of the day, which is healthy coconut pancake. For this recipe, we'll use 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of natural sweetener, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all the ingredients until you get a smooth batter. Pour the batter into a greased skillet and cook over low heat. Flip the pancake and cook the other side. This healthy coconut pancake is perfect for a nutritious breakfast or a tasty afternoon snack. EAI, qual desses recetas você vai testar primeiro? Me conta aqui nos comentários. Se gosta do vídeo, deixa o like, compartilha com seus amigos e se inscreve no canal para mais receitas saudáveis e dicas de emagrecimento. Você gosta do conteúdo de hoje? Espero que sim. Se você curtiu, não se esqueça de deixar o seu like e compartilhar esse vídeo com os amigos. E Southeast ainda não é inscrito, cor lá e se inscreve no canal para não perder nenhuma novidade. 8. O próximo video. Abraço e ciao.
Attention. Lose weight quickly and healthily with Nagano Tonic, a revolutionary 100% natural powdered supplement that aids in weight loss and the elimination of excess fat. Inspired by the traditional health practices of Nagano, Japan, Nagano Tonic is your solution for a lighter and healthier body. Check out the official Nagano Tonic website. I'll leave the link in the first pinned comment. Visit now and discover all the benefits of Nagano Tonic.